Hey everyone! Today we're going to explore how to add a Facebook pixel in ConvertKit. If you're new to ConvertKit, don't forget to check out the free trial link in the description below. For those already set up, just log in and follow along. To get started, you'll first need to create a Zapier account, which will allow you to connect ConvertKit with Facebook. Once you're logged in, head over to your Zapier dashboard. Click on the Create button, then select Zaps to start setting up your automation. If you need help at any point, the Copilot feature in Zapier can guide you step by step through the process. Next, choose ConvertKit and Facebook from the list of available apps. On the right-hand side of your screen, fill in all the required details. To connect your ConvertKit account, click on Sign In and enter your API key. To find this key, go to your ConvertKit account, navigate to Developer Settings, and copy the secret key. Once you've pasted it into Zapier, click on Yes, Connect to ConvertKit. Now repeat the same process to log into your Facebook account by entering your email and password. After both accounts are connected, take a moment to configure your settings as needed. When everything looks good, click on Publish to activate your Zap. And that's it! You've successfully connected Facebook Pixel to ConvertKit using Zapier. I hope this video makes the process clear and easy for you. Thanks for watching.